Hi Charlie, yeah, my model's disappeared, there it is. So this is C3, let me just make that transparent, and we'll go into a section view as well. Okay, so this is the pressed metal sheet, nice white finish. They're actually reversible, so the 100mm deep shelf I've shown as a tray, and the 250mm shelf I've shown as a shelf, but both components are reversible. That is a standard surface on the long supports. Again, just to repeat, the radiator height is going to be important. So what we've got here is, because that is it's a folded metal corner, that's not going to sag. It's a self-supporting shelf, can carry a reasonable amount of weight. I would guess 10-20 kilograms, reasonably evenly distributed. Over that, yeah, it's going to struggle a little bit. That span under there is still quite big, 607mm, but probably manageable as long as you didn't load that up with anything too heavy. You couldn't, use that to dump sacks of potatoes on, for example. But as a writing surface or something to rest on or make things on, yeah, probably work. Okay, so that's where we are. 3 options. I don't think any of them really are without fault, without weaknesses. But I can see what you're trying to do, and I can't, you can't put another support down the middle, it would look ridiculous. So we are where we are. Okay, I hope that's useful, and we can speak soon.